So here's an example. So this one says the 2012 General Society Surveys, GSS, asked its respondents to report their political party affiliation. The graph shows the results for 879 men. So which political party affiliation has the most men? So notice that they gave you two different types of charts. They gave you a bar chart and also a pie chart, or a bar plot and a pie chart, whatever. So they both tell you exactly the same thing. It's the same graph. It's just you want to figure out which one has the most men. Well, the one that has the most men is going to be the one that has the highest bar, right, for the bar plot, and for the pie chart is going to be which one has the most piece of the pie. Now, it's pretty clear here that Democrat not strong is the highest. Okay, so, and then for this one, well, you can also see that the green one, this one tends to have more area. So Democrat not strong is the answer. So this will be Democrat. I don't know why I am writing capitalized. Democrat, not strong. All right, so that will be the answer. Very basic. All right, so what political party affiliation has the second highest number of men? Okay, so the second highest, well, in the bar plot, it seems that Republican, not strong, is the one that is the second highest. Now for this one, it's a little hard, right? Well, kind of, because this one clearly is the next one. But I mean, for the other ones, like even then, it's really, really difficult to see. And plus, we don't have a legend there, so it will still be Republican, not strong. So Republican, not strong. And then the other question says, is it easier to determine it with a bar plot or with a pie chart? Well, in this case, because we don't have a legend for the pie chart, it's going to be much more difficult to see it, right? And even then, it's just really difficult to try to see, okay, which piece of the pie is much bigger if we don't have really a legend. So you can never go wrong with a bar chart. Both are good, but bar charts are better. So I'll just write bar charts or bar plots are better. Okay, so I'll say that. Okay, so that is basically some of the basic questions that you might be seeing in the quiz. All I want you to see is be able to read a graph and be able to talk about it, which one's highest, which one's lowest, the difference between them, and that's basically it. So nothing too complicated. Okay. So I'll end the video here and then I'll go to the numerical ones in the next one.